Hello. Welcome to July 11th CPI trading day. Sorry for being a little bit late. I just got back from thrifting in the morning this morning at 4 a.m. So that is completely my fault for being a little bit late, but that's okay. Alright, so let's get into the charts here. So we did see lower CPI numbers here. CPI took out previous day high as I anticipated, and after taking out previous day high, we swept it, and it looks like we are continuing lower here. I do want to see us retrace back inside this daily FEG here and attack, Tuesday's lows and Monday's lows of day, Monday low of day. In this next 15-minute candle here, I am anticipating for us to continue lower and leaving this 15-minute fair value gap as a breakaway gap. So yeah, in this 30-minute candle, I am anticipating for this 30-minute candle to take out this swing low right here. So we'll see how we trade there. Once we close here, I might take an entry actually at this 5-minute FEG, and I'll take off partials, and yeah, I'll take a total of, I'll take 5 contracts here actually. 5 contracts here, and my stop loss is at that 5-minute swing high, or that 5-minute FEG's high here, and all I'm targeting is that 15-minute low and 30-minute low. So here, like I said, I'm anticipating this 15-minute gap to be a breakaway gap, just based on my fair value gap theory, and I'm anticipating for us to take out this 30-minute low. So I will have 3 contracts come off at this 30-minute low, and I'll leave 2 partials, one here and one at this, so one for the July 9th low and one for July 8th low. But just depending on how we close here or how we trade here will depend on if we will attack this or not. But like I said, I am anticipating this 15-minute fair value gap to be a breakaway gap. Turn this off here. Let's see, we have SMTs. So there's my trade entry. I'm trading this on the micros just because the range here is 57 points. So I'm trading on the micros just so I can have less, so I can mitigate my risk. Excuse me. All right, so like I said, if we do take this this swing low here, I will move my stops to break even. Okay, but like I said, I'm just gonna let the trade do its thing here. Let me mark out 10:30 open. Excuse me. Here's the 10 o'clock open. So like I said before, I am anticipating this 15-minute fair value gap to become a breakaway gap. So I want to see prices, you know, open here, maybe create a high, and then attack this low first. And I don't want to see prices do something like this, where we open and retrace here, and then attack the low. Just cause of the fair value gap theory, and I'm basing my trade off of this becoming a breakaway gap. So like I said, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out, but this is a trade that I would take almost all the time. So I don't have a problem with taking it here. And it's just a matter of conviction and confidence in my trade. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. But this is a trade, like I said, that I would take. So one thing I do want to know is how we respected this consequent encroachment of this 5-minute FVG here. I really like how prices reacted to that consequent encroachment. So like I said, it is a bearish signature in price, so I'm still gonna just continue to hold my trade. I mean, I have targets at the 7-9 low and 7 July 9th low and July 8th low, just based on this daily FEG here. Not daily FEG, sorry, the daily candles. It will show up here. I am anticipating for this to be Thursday high of the week, and hopefully to take out, you know, July 9th low and July 8th low today, or you know, we complete that tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, that's just my idea. That's just what I have in narrative right now. So if ES takes out this 15-minute low, I'm gonna close out 3 positions. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready here, and I'm gonna close 2. Sorry, I'm gonna close 2 once ES takes out the low, and I'm moving my stops to break even, just so I don't want to play with SMT here. So if ES does end up taking out that 15-minute low, I'm going to take off 2. Two trades, and to take off 2 entries, or not 2 entries, yeah, 2 contracts once ES takes out its low. See, so notice how ES is just right there at the low, and NQ is basically there too. So I'm gonna take my trades off to there. So let's see what happens. So, alright, so I take my 3-2 orders off there. So that's a winning trade there now. Now I just let my, like I said, now I just let my trades do its thing. Have one TP here, and I have another one set at the daily FEG low. Actually, I'll have another target at that 15-minute low actually. After this 15-minute candle closes, I'm gonna have an entry or a target, an exit, one more contract at that low. Excuse me, sorry. So like I said, I broke down this trade pretty well. I don't know if I did it as well as I could have, but so like I said, I'm gonna have another contract taken off at that 15-minute swing low, because I am anticipating for us to take out this 15-minute candles low here based on its power of 3. So here, that TP, and there you go. And I'm gonna move my stops to this 5-minute high, because I shouldn't see prices retrace back into that, right? So here's my executions. Notice how YM is trading here right now, so just be careful of that. And this is how you could, continue to hold. So we took at that 15-minute low, and like I said, that's how you can continue to hold for the more longer duration of trades. I don't know how to put it, but yeah. So my final TP, my terminus, is this daily low here, Tuesday's low of day, which I want to see prices take out, but we'll see. And I'll just leave my stop loss at break even here now. So if the trade reverses back on me, then it's cool, because like I said, I've already taken out my partials and yeah. So after one today. Could see a Thursday high. Hold on, I'm gonna go wash my hands because I just got done eating some greasy meat, so my hands are a little bit greasy. Peter, can I see the card that you chose? Dang, I was not prepared today at all. I don't even have the chat set up, so man, what an interesting. The thing I do want to note out right now too is that we have a really big SMT divergence between the ES and NQ. NQ took out previous day low, however, ES didn't, so that is just something that you should be careful of. That is around like a 200 tick trade there, so it's not bad. I am up around 500 today, which is pretty good. I'm gonna just keep continuing. I'm gonna keep allowing prices to continue lower here. Like I said, my full terminus is that July 9th low day. Just overall not a bad setup. Alright, so if I get stopped out here, I am completely fine with that happening. I'm gonna monitor what prices do here. I want to look at what Dixie's doing as well though. Okay, so we dropped significantly lower on the dollar. If we look at the dollar here, we are closing, or looks like we just disrespected this daily FEG, and we are going lower on the dollar. So if we go lower on the dollar, what can we anticipate for prices to do on the indices? To go higher, correct? But the indices, as of right now, we are continuing lower, so there's a little bit of unsymmetrical markets, and you want markets to be symmetrical if you're a day trader. So with that in mind, I'm going to change my stop loss here, or my TP, to this hourly low, just because we have SMTs here, but not SMTs, but we are trading out of sync with the dollar, and I don't like how we are trading out of sync with the dollar. So I'm gonna change up my game plan and adapt to the situation. You have to take what prices are. You have to be able to adapt here. So in 5 minutes, depending on how this 15-minute candle closes, I will move my stop loss, or not my stop loss, sorry, my TP. And with this 5-minute candle is closing here, it looks like I can move my stop loss once again, actually. gonna be patient, and so if we do take out this swing low, then I'll move my stop loss to the swing high. This swing high. Moving stop loss to this swing high if we can take out this swing low. We have about 4 minutes left on this hourly candle closure, and that will show us if we're going to take out that swing low or not. So it looks like we are just continuing to go lower here. Like I said, I'm gonna wait till the hourly closure to see if I have to move my TARP TPs differently, but it looks like we might take out this daily low. So yeah, let's just see if we can take out this daily low or not. It looks like my TP is a little bit off of that low, so I'll change it to there. And depending on how this 5-minute closes, I will move my stop loss to here if we can't take out this swing low. Alright, so I just got closed out of all positions. We did end up hitting the target that I was hoping for, so yeah, there's that. That in total was a 550, okay. Not too bad for CPI trading today. So I explained why I anticipated this 15-minute fair value gap here to be a breakaway gap based on the fair value gap theory that is on my YouTube. You can anticipate this 15-minute fair value gap to be a breakaway, and on the lower time frames there was a 5-minute FVG that price is used to continue lower. So yeah, here is DQ. So there's that 7-9 low get taken. So now our next TP, our next target will be this low at 708. July 8th low. If you like, this could be a pyramid here. If you'd like, because we still have that higher time frame draw being this July 8th low, correct? So if you can just base your trade off of this 15-minute power of 3, you can anticipate for us to take out this 15-minute low, but that's, so it looks like we might just take out, so you won't have taken that trade there. And yeah, all there is left to do here on the market now is just to tape read what we do, because like I said, we still do have SMTs here with ES because ES hasn't taken out previous day low yet. However, on NQ we did, so that is a major SMT. And yeah. Sorry if I'm like all over the place today. Just a little bit tired. You know, I've been awake since 4 a.m. So, and I didn't have that much sleep, so. We came super close to taking out that July 8th low there. Very close. So pay attention to how we close on this candle here, and if we create this 15-minute fair value gap, just watch how we do. Just watch how we trade there. I will be right back. I'm going to put up some food and finish my meal outside. Alright, so I'm back. So it looks like we are gonna leave that July 8th low. I do want to watch how we trade here at the at this 3-minute FEG here. If we can have a bullish closure here on this 15-minute candle, then we can consider taking out this 15-minute candle's high. But yeah, we'll see. We will see. So we do have about 2 minutes left in this 15-minute candle, and yeah, we'll see how we close here. All right, so it looks like we are complete now reversing. I didn't take a trade yet. Like I said, I prefer waiting for candle closures. So just seeing how this candle closes to me will show me a lot. One thing I do want to note is that 11 o'clock's opening price. So here's 11 o'clock opening price here. That's the opening price. And whenever you when ICT speaks of like buying and selling below the open, you want to apply that to every single candle. So here, if I want to sell, right, I want to be selling above this hourly candle open. So we have a minute left on this 15-minute candle, and if we can have a bearish closure, then I'll consider taking a trade. But if not, then no trade will be taken from me. I would like to see us close below this 3-minute candle's fair value gap. If we can't get a closure below it, then I'm not going to consider taking any shorts, because like I said, the daily draw here is still that July 8th low. But yeah, I wouldn't take anything here if we can't get a closure below this 3-minute FEG. 8 seconds left on the closure. All right, so we didn't get the closure that I anticipated, so that trade is invalid. So now it's just a matter of time and just being patient. Just taking what prices gives us. Let's open up the YouTube chat, shall we? Oh, Tanya just got done with her stream. Shall we see if she took any trades here today? Not completely sure. I don't want to let the whole thing. Let's go back to what I was here originally for. Like I said, the daily draw is still that July 8th low. So after we take out July 8th low, I would like not to trade anything after that, and or anything based on the higher time frame models. So the higher time frame model right here is still taking out that July 8th low, but once we take it, then I will switch from a higher time frame model perspective to a lower time frame model, and yeah. Last time I did end up getting I did end up copyrighted. I got a copyrighted strike for the music I was playing. So I mean, today's music is and should be non-copyright. It is from a Spotify playlist that literally says no sorry non-copyright music. Oh yeah, this weekly candles closure here, if we close right now in this week, it is pretty bullish, or sorry, not bullish, bearish. I have 10 minutes left till this 30-minute candle closes and new 15-minute candle closes. So yeah, just watch how it prices trades there. And while we do that, shall we play a chess game? Jeez, I am pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie. take that. So we are drawing towards that July 8th low here now. We're just looks like we are just about to take it here. And like I said, ES is still nowhere near previous day low, so just something to be aware about. Okay. So pretty interesting he takes it. He just kind of screwed himself now, huh? Because if he takes here, I take, he takes, and then I can take a free queen. So NQ just now took out July 8th low. And from there, we can just, you know, set up some standard deviations. So we have this, that standard deviation. So we can anticipate a reversal or like a retrace back when we hit into this point -2 to -2.5 area. Huh, okay, interesting. If I go here, he takes, I take, he takes, here, or here, and then here. I can, to be honest, it depends on how he takes this. So if he takes here, then I leave it alone. But if he takes with this, then I take here. And then I force him to move his pawn or his queen. And if he takes with his queen, okay, so now, if he takes with his pawn, then I don't do anything. If he takes with his queen.
What your sharp it is now?
Whoa! Whoa!
Why are you playing chess?
Huh?
Why are you playing chess?
Because I want to just give my friend a huggy. That's all I want to do. I just want to give my friend a huggy.
Oh, wait.
Huh? So we're trading back inside that daily fair value gap again. Here I'm gonna like to not do anything now. I'm just gonna tape read. If we can get a reaction based off of this from away from this daily FEG, then yeah. But if we don't, then I would only elect to trade lower time frame models. So I'm just gonna stay on the 15-minute time frame, but understand that the higher time frame objective has been taken out already. See, so now this pawn is now isolated, which is not what he wants, and I'm up a knight. So I'm gonna kick out my my knight here and develop my knight, and maybe long castle. So I can take this pawn now. This pawn is free. It's a hanging pawn, and that pawn is no longer hanging. I can move my here and then here, because I don't want him to take my knight and then I have to take with my pawn, because then I'll have stacked pawns. But if I move my bishop, then this knight is protected. So if we are gonna target sell side liquidity. Where else can we target on NQ here? We're in that golden zone, right? Okay. What about that manipulation leg? Do we have a manipulation leg here? Move my pawn up to attack that bishop, actually, to make better use of it. It looks like he just traded, so I'm gonna move my bishop here. Move up my pawns. I will probably move my my rook here, or here actually. Yeah, I'll move my rook here, move my rook, this rook out here, and then stack my rooks. And the reason why I moved my rook here is because I have this pawn, this square protected by these two. And okay, so I'm gonna stack my rooks, like I stated before, to attack this pawn. And there's no way he can defend this pawn now. And if we were just to do math here, he has 2 pawns on this side, I have 3. On this side I have 4. So he can, so he's defending with that. Okay, I can actually give him a check here. Oh, I shouldn't give him a check. Well, actually I can, because if he moves here, then I can just take this pawn, and then I give him a check again. Yeah, so check. He can't actually take this rook because it's protected. So now I give him a check again, and now he's forced to move back here, and then I can just move. So I can move here now. Like I said, I'm still protecting this piece. So these pieces are interconnected. Now I'm still attacking that pawn again. If I move here, what was that, a leak? Stay on the daily time frame here. And have the 15-minute time frame put up. So I'm gonna be on the daily or the hourly time frame, just so I can see clear price action on the daily time frame. And I'll stay on the 15-minute time frame just in case we have any lower time frame market reversals. So here I can take this one. I can either take with the knight, or I can take with the rook. And then, no, I'm gonna take with the knight. Yeah, take with the knight, and then, yeah, that's better. He takes here, I take here. He takes here, I take here. Okay, so the reason why I didn't take with my rook is because if I take with my rook, he can take my knight. I will gladly trade that. Now I'm up in pieces, and I can surely I can do something like this. Give him a check. Take this here. No, I'm gonna wait and then let's see if he trades this actually. If he trades, then I would gladly take the trade. No trades taken, okay. What about if I offered this trade? Will you take this offer? Okay. So now I take this. Now I'm taking that. Taking that knight. Where can he go? He's trapped. I take this. So I go here, he goes here, and then I can, yeah, okay, that's a trade I'll take. Any day of the week. I don't have no worries here. That's cool. It's completely fine. I'm just gonna continue to walk my pawns here now. He doesn't really have a choice, to be honest. I just can't make the mistake of taking this rook or this piece, so I just gradually take this one. I have to notice, keep in mind the time too. So I move my piece back here. Keep in mind the time. Just continue to push my pieces. I can actually fork him here. He trades, I take that. Easy trade. So if he moves away here, I'm taking this. Okay. So now I move up this piece. So I gotta keep in mind the time here. So gotta continue to watch the time. Here I'll probably do something like this. Oh wait, no he can't. If he moves here, then take. And he moves here, I take. So if he can move his. Go here. Oh, I could have moved my thing up here. What? Yes. I'm doing the right thing now. Nice. Continue to watch my time. I'll move my pieces here now. I should have actually baited him and go here. He takes here, then I go here. Look, this is a pawn I can take now. If he goes here, I take. Or yeah, I take with this. Or he goes here, I take with this. Yeah. Let's go! Solid, solid. Win. It's getting close to 11 here. I'll stay on the stream for another 20 minutes. But yeah, after this 20 minutes, I'm probably gonna call it for today. It's been a, you know, one heck of a CPI day. Exhausted. Actually, super exhausted. So. Ooh. I don't know where we're gonna go here on ES. I can do standard deviations, but like I said, we've already basically met the standard deviations that I've had in mind. Yeah, that's basically all my standard deviations I had. If I were gonna take this low, this high, and this, what about the, no, I can't use the bodies. What about the 15-minute? Okay, so this -4 here is a projection still I can use. Okay, that's not a bad projection. I do want to see where we're at on this daily FEG, however. So we crossed the consequent encroachment of the daily FEG, so let me just note that out. Daily FEG. So we hit the -4 standard deviation just now, and that's no use of for us anymore. Can we use standard deviations here? Did we already hit that? Oops. Here and here. So we still have this -4. That -4 lies with the SMT. And the SMT is that daily low. Okay. see, yeah, like I said, going back to the dollar, we did drop from news during CPI release. So once we retrace back inside the dollar into the 1 hour FEG, if we can respect that daily or that 1 hour FEG on the dollar, then we can continue lower. And if we continue lower on the dollar, we should see a reversal on the indices if we are to be symmetrical. But like I said, I would like to stay on the hourly time frame and just trade based off the hourly structure, or just it'll help me stay away from any trades if I'm just on the hourly time frame. Okay. But I can see. So if I close my eyes, I think I can see Peter. I'm closing my eyes. So I can come here. Give me a huggy.
I don't
3,
see you.
2.
I don't see you.
Okay, well you don't have to see me. You can feel me, right? Can you hear me? I'm sure you can hear me because you hear a whistle of your echolocation powers.
That's a bad time. Wrong animal.
Oh, but you're literally Peter though. So maybe spiders have echolocation powers.
They don't.
What do they have? What powers do they have? Can you tell me?
Venomous powers.
Okay, what else? Can you list all of the
Oh,
spiders'
yeah.
superpowers? Or not superpowers, but powers.
They can bite.
Okay.
They can.
Just
Some of them have an orange triangle on their back.
Okay, lay down. Hi, Tommy.
Can't lay down.
Okay.
And now I know. And then how do I know the king cobra has power?
You don't know spiders have super strength.
No, they don't.
They do.
They don't have strength, but they have
Relative
strength
to
in
their
their bite.
But they have strength compared to their size. They're that small. They can pick up like something that's like a little bit bigger than them. That means they're strong. They can create webs. Some spiders can even make a parachute and glide with it.
That's true.
I learned that from a lot of guys. They can stick to stuff, so that means they can crawl on walls. What else do they have?
No, they don't. They actually use their webs.
They have 8
8 legs,
legs.
and some of them have 4 eyes.
Yeah, they have 4 eyes.
No, some of them.
Some of them have 4 eyes, so that means they have really good vision.
No, it actually means they see more than a normal spider.
Yeah, that means they have good vision. They have the spidey senses. They have good reflexes.
Oh yeah, true. And you know those I forgot the name.
Black widow.
Yeah, the black widow. Ow! Is actually not gonna hurt you.
What?
It's because it's only if you can let it crawl in your hand. It's not gonna bite you. And if you don't move the hand that much, if you don't physically kind of hurt it, then it won't bite you. And it also has warning bites, so it doesn't actually leech as much venom as it's supposed to.
So how do you know that?
I forgot. Wild coyote.
Coyote Peterson.
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me?
I watched one of his new videos.
So
I learned that there's actually advanced beasts that can fly as fast as a car.
So can you tell me? Can you tell me what a spider can be used for?
Oh, I know. You can put it in your house so it defeats any bugs that it can wrap your flies in the house. And it can kill the ants. If you have any plants in your house. It will eliminate all bugs.
Okay.
And I told you, venomous spiders don't really bite that much.
Okay. So that means spiders they're strong. They're strong for their size. They have a venomous bite. They can create webs. So can you tell me how strong spiders' webs are?
Oh, they're stronger than your hand.
So
Oh yeah, they're strong enough that they can defeat how fast flies are, or those beetles that have wings on them. They can defeat those things as well. As long as the spider is a strong spider, it can wrap it around like that fast. As long as the spiders are a good worker and they can defeat it really fast. You have to be like good.
alright. So
As long as there's enough webs in it, it can defeat it.
if it's a spider that's the size of me, do you think that spider's webs can stop my airplane?
That wouldn't be true, but no. It won't. It'll die. It'll die because of the engine. You can't stop an airplane unless you cover the engines or the things that's making it move, or you can get rid of the glass. Like you just cover the glass up with the webs. But it won't. How big? But tiny. Are the webs still the same size?
No. If the spider creating it is the size of a human, the web should be a little bit bigger too.
Okay, then they can. But are they stronger?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then they still would die. They would die if the plane could die, but it might die as well. So it's a tie. Do you not know that? You can't stop a plane if it's mid-air unless you're Spider-Man. So yes, you cannot stop a plane. If it's already on the plane, then it would still die with it. So it would still be a tie. If the plane is already mid-air, since when the plane goes down, it will go down as well. Since even if you're Spider-Man, you probably won't survive. It's still a normal human. You only have super strength and spider webs. It's not like you would survive a plane crashing. Okay, if it's in the ocean, you probably can't survive. Since you can't just web out all the way to the moon. Unless you're a superhuman that can fly. That would be the only way to survive. That proves how Superman is better than Spider-Man. You know, one time Superman flew all the way to the side of the plane and became Prime Superman. That's like his strongest form. Yeah, he literally became yellow and became Golden Prime Superman. He was still alive, but he just became golden. He was shining as hot as the sun. Isn't that crazy? He literally was shining as shiny as the sun. That's how shiny he was. I wonder how fast he traveled. He was like Mach 2. I'm the God, invisible for religion and justice for all. I don't think King said that yesterday. It's supposed to be a daily saying. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all.
Cowboy. Alright, so it's 11. I'm gonna turn off the stream for today.